Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to turn off Do Not Disturb now. First, unlock your iPhone and open Settings. This gives you direct access to focus controls. Once in Settings, tap Focus. Newer iOS groups Do Not Disturb there, or find Do Not Disturb if your device shows it separately. Make sure you can authenticate with Face ID or passcode, because some changes require confirmation. Now that you're in the right menu, look for the Do Not Disturb tile and get ready to toggle it off. Once inside the Do Not Disturb settings, you'll see the main switch and any scheduled automations. Toggle the primary Do Not Disturb switch to off. This immediately restores sounds and notifications. Next, inspect scheduled or automation entries. If a schedule exists, tap it and disable or delete it to stop automatic reactivation. Make sure the focus summary at the top reads inactive or off. If you use multiple devices with focus syncing, proceed to disable those automations, as well to keep the setting from returning. Now confirm Do Not Disturb is truly off. Swipe into Control Center or look at the lock screen. The crescent icon should be gone. If notifications remain silenced, restart the iPhone to clear temporary state. Also make sure focus syncing via iCloud isn't reapplying Do Not Disturb from another device. Disable focus syncing in Settings, Apple ID iCloud if needed. If a stubborn automation still forces silence, reset focus settings and rebuild profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.